my name is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. You've reached Heartcrafted Design and Events, and this is a channel where we're creating events to your heart's content. Today we're going to be talking about a holiday drink, cremas. So cremas is a Haitian holiday drink. Typically you drink it Christmas, New Year's, during the holidays, during celebration. As you know, New Year's is approaching, so I thought I'd share with you this really great drink that I love to drink every single year. Again, it usually happens around Christmas and New Year's. Not only is New Year's Day approaching, but it's also Haitian Independence Day. And so I really wanted to share this drink and celebrate with you guys. So I'm just gonna kind of go over the ingredients needed for this drink. It's actually fairly simple. This is my first time making this drink. I actually went on YouTube myself to figure out how to make this drink. One thing I should say is that to make it authentically, like the Haitian way to do it, you have to have like a real coconut. I am in the region that does not, or if they do, I do not know where the coconut is. I did not do that. I got cream of coconut, but I'll go over the ingredients in a bit. So let's talk about the ingredients. You need evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, cream of coconut or coconut cream, lime zest, cinnamon, vanilla extract, almond extract, nutmeg, sugar if needed, and then of course you need the liquor. Now the liquor that I did, the best liquor to use for this is actually Haitian rum, which is Barbancourt. If you do not have that, there are other variations. As long as it's like some kind of white rum, you should be good. But the Barbancourt Haitian rum is beautiful, so make sure you try to get your hands on that. And then I've also found that there's other different ways to make this, by the way. I found several cremas videos that actually had amaretto in it. So I want to see how different the tastes were with that. Really good. So I am going to try to do it in two different ways. So we'll see how they come out. I'll let you know. Ooh, leave in the comments if you try this and if you try it in the two batches, like if you try it in the two different ways, if you try it with amaretto or without amaretto. But you do need the rum. Don't forget the rum. Yes. Please check out the description box for all the ingredients if you wanted to try it on your own. One thing I will say for the whole process is actually pretty easy. It's actually not that complicated. It's really about the amount of sweetness and the amount of rum, really. And you really just want to balance the amount of spices that you actually put in there. So the nutmeg, the cinnamon, all that. One thing I made sure that I did do was I tried to be as authentic as I could. I did put cinnamon and star anise in evaporated milk and I let it simmer. And I think that really made a difference. I really felt like the base of it was really good. What I will say is I did actually put a cinnamon stick in there. I didn't put actual cinnamon powder. Once I let that milk, cinnamon, and star anise concoction completely cool, then I started to make my drink. And honestly, it's all about just putting in the ingredients in a blender and then you kind of taste and see how it is and blend everything really thoroughly. It's actually really simple to make. I definitely encourage you to make it. With this in mind, I did want to put together a little New Year's Day cart. If people are coming through to my place, making it festive. It's New Year's Day, New Year's Eve party, whatever it may be. I honestly used what I had on hand. I will leave any party supplies in the description if I had, but honestly what I did was I used what I already had on hand. I did go out and get some balloons from Party City and Target and things like that, but for the most part I didn't really kind of went through my stash and see what I already had on hand to make the decor. I think it came together really well. I think bar carts are self-serve, they're really easy to put together, and they're just really cute. And I think it'll be really great for a New Year's Day party. So just some ideas to get your mind juices flowing as the New Year's Day approaches. If you don't have a bar cart, I think a small table, or honestly use what you have on hand. I already had this bar cart, so I thought it would be really cute to have all these drinks in here. So yeah, I think the bar cart is just really cute. All right, so I'm gonna show you my New Year's cart with my specialty cremas drink in 3, 2, 1. All right, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like and comment. If you've tried this drink, let me know. Leave a comment. Please be safe out there. Praying for a blessed new year. Bonne année. Until next time, blessings. Bye.